In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how you can create a Spotify account from scratch. So the first thing we need to do is open up Spotify. You can download this on the App Store on any device. Now, once you are on here, click on sign up for free. What you want to do now is you want to choose whether you want to continue with an email address, continue with your Google account or your Apple account. So what we want to do is just click on continue with email. You now simply want to enter in your email address and then click on next. Once we do this, you can then create a password for your account. And then once this meets all of the requirements, you can then click on next. Once you do this, you would then need to enter in your date of birth, then enter in your gender. And then once you do this, you can then choose your username for your Spotify account. Once you are happy with everything, you will then be able to click on create account at the bottom of this page. And then once you click on create account, that will mean that you will then have created your Spotify account. And then all that's left to do is verify your email address. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a Spotify account from scratch.